spooky music for some spooky science.
Oh boy, our science guy Steve Spangler is out in Littleton this morning helping us put a little science twist on Halloween festivities.
He's at the Reinke Brothers Haunted Mansion getting some inspiration for Halloween. Good morning, Steve.
Good morning. Hang on just a second. I'm just picking a piece of meat. Can I have the leg, please? I'd like the leg. Yeah. Oh, thank you. That's good. So, yes, Russ, that's perfect. The leg and the price tag on it as well. I like that. We are at the Reinke Brothers. This is, oh, thank you so much, so much. We're at the Reinke Brothers. It's an institution in Littleton. People from all over the world come here thanks to the two brothers, Chris and Greg Reinke. Greg, come in here. This is year round. I'm going to put this over here. This is year round, isn't it? Yeah. Tell me about the obsession as we're kind of walking through.
You know, this is the catacomb part where you just wander around. That's part of the adventure of shopping here. Not only can you find what you want, but you'll have fun doing it at the same time, just like the deli.
Oh my gosh!
You know, how else would you display those?
No, because it would be gross otherwise. But people come through here. This is not a scary experience, and that's part of your secret, isn't it?
That's right. We try to entertain you in all things, everything from shopping to the haunted mansion to even picking out a costume and even the rental costume. We have over 10,000 rentals.
My gosh.
We'll find you something.
It's year round. Stephen Clark, I first met Stephen Clark. Everything here, we have to say, everything was painted, designed by you three guys. Stephen Clark, I've known you for 40 plus years. Yeah. You were taking magic lessons from my dad in Denver when he had the magic school. Yeah, we were young little tykes, weren't we?
We were down there.
You're a makeup artist extraordinaire. Would you do something here? Yes. My wife says I need something here. Okay. Yes. Okay. This is good. Tell me about what people overdo sometimes at Halloween.
Actually,
hope this looks good.
One of the things that is often overdone, quite frankly, is blood.
Okay.
They will go way overboard. As I like to put it, a little blood goes a very long way.
Of course it does.
And there's an adage as a makeup artist, if there's too much blood, they're hiding a bad makeup job.
Oh my gosh. Now, where did you learn? You've been all over the country, haven't you?
Actually, as a makeup artist, I was more or less self-taught. But I, of course, went to art school. And the principles are exactly the same as oil painting.
Oh my God. Well, as we're looking around here, everything was decorated by you. Every brick was painted by you.
Yep.
Later on, we're going to see some amazing artwork outside by you. And now you're doing this, and this is you called it the 90-second makeup job, right?
A 60-second makeup
60-second makeup job. And this is, honey, if you're watching, this is going to be a new look for me. So I'm just going to work on this in the morning. Stephen's going to teach me how to do this. No, is it looking good? I'm hoping that it is. Have no idea what's going on, but it should be great. If you need anything in the world at all, Reinke Brothers has got something for you, and it's year round. So as we said, this is just another Tuesday at the Reinke Brothers. Corey, Christine, Gary, I'm hoping that this is the new look.
It's getting better.
You've never looked better.
Yeah, we like it.
Does it really?
Blood. Oh yeah, there we go.
Yeah, little blood goes a long way. That's always been my motto.
That's all. I've always said that. Little blood goes a long way. Look at the masterpiece, man. It's Stephen Clark at the Reinke Brothers.
All right.
Very nice. Very nice. Good stuff.
Thank you, guys. All right, we'll talk to you again.